In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload photos to Dropbox with ease. Whether you're new to Dropbox or just need a refresher, this guide will have you uploading files in no time. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to Dropbox and access your home page. You can do this by launching your preferred web browser and typing in dropbox.com. Simply log in with your credentials, and you'll find yourself at your personal Dropbox homepage, which is the starting point for uploading files. Now that you're on your homepage, the next step is to locate the Upload button. You'll typically find this button near the top of the page. It's usually marked with an arrow pointing upwards and the word Upload. Click on that button, and you'll be given several options. You can upload a file or a folder, or even import files directly from Google Drive, should you prefer that option. However, for this demonstration, we'll be focusing on how to upload a single file. Go ahead and select Upload File. Once you've done that, a dialog box will pop up, asking you to choose the file you want to upload from your computer. Take your time scrolling through your files and select the photo you'd like to upload. After selecting your photo, you'll have the opportunity to choose the specific folder where you would like to store your photo. This is important for keeping your Dropbox organized and easy to navigate in the future. If you don't have a specific folder in mind, you can always create a new one or place it in an existing folder to keep things tidy. Once you've decided on the destination folder for your photo, you'll need to confirm your choice. Just click on Choose Location to finalize your selection. This ensures that the file goes exactly where you want it to be. Remember, having a well-organized Dropbox can save you plenty of time down the line, especially if you're dealing with lots of files. The great news is that these steps can be applied to any type of file, not just photos, making Dropbox a versatile option for file storage. And there you have it. Your photo is now securely uploaded to Dropbox, ready to be accessed from anywhere, anytime. You've successfully learned the steps to upload files onto Dropbox, allowing you to back up your important documents, photos, and more with ease and confidence. I hope you found this tutorial straightforward and helpful. Keep exploring Dropbox's features, and you'll soon discover all the ways it can simplify your digital storage needs. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials.